SKIL stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. Looking at Skillsoft Corporation, 7% performance on Friday. Well, I've done 39,000 videos, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And generally speaking with SKIL, it's not that I'm going to immediately start buying, right? Well, I'm very amazed and I like the bullish demand zone that we're in currently, but it's just that I like it. That does not mean that I'm going to immediately buy. So in this case, it's a 4-hour chart. Only if I see the price pulling down and then showing me that shift, am I going to look to take things further higher. Like I mentioned, everything else is pure noise, everything. So I will continue to keep you updated. In the meantime, we'll just keep waiting. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, then just click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter. And I will be seeing you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy. See ya.